Okay guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you, or tell you actually, not showing you anything, how you can grow your social media. I get this question asked so much, so I'm going to give you some tips on basically like, I guess becoming an Instagram model, or just growing your social media in general, tips on how to like actually get better engagement, get better, more followers and everything like that. So if you want to know all the tips and tricks that I have, then yeah, just keep watching. So first I want to start out with like my experience. So I started Instagram for real, like actually taking it serious last August, and that's when I came like to college and everything. So yeah, and I used to take pictures every single day. So that's how dedicated I was. I really wanted to grow my following, my platform, because I knew I wanted to do this. Like this was something I just always wanted to do, YouTube, and like I don't know, I just like makeup and everything like that. So yeah, I took pictures every single day, and then I didn't start getting like for real followers. Honestly, I was growing, and I didn't like realize how fast I was growing because like I used to be so concerned about everybody else. But then I actually grew so quickly. Like I got 30K like before I think December time. So that was like really quick. Take pictures every day. So consistency is very key. You need to be very consistent if you want to grow your page. You have to post at least once a day, or like I don't know, at least multiple times a week, like every other day. Is try to do as many times as you can. I know like if you have like a full-time job or like in school and stuff, it can be really hard. But my tip, if you're trying to stay consistent, I would do my makeup and my hair, and then I will have multiple outfits laid out that I want to do, and I'll walk around in like the same square of one area, and I will change the angle and I'll take pictures there. So I will take probably like 5 different pictures that I will post, and that'll be my pictures for the week. So all you have to do is like put your hair up into like a bun, or you can keep the same hair and makeup look and just change your outfit, change your poses, and completely different, and you just have multiple things to post all the time. Second is you need really good quality. So you need good quality pictures. So I would say have either a camera or either a phone. So I use my iPhone 10 for my pictures, or you can use the actual camera. I know people use like the Canon G7X, the Canon Mark something. I have a Canon T5i, but I only use this for YouTube, but you can actually use this camera for pictures if you want to. It takes really good pictures too. And it has like settings. If you watch other videos, they'll show you how to set it up, so you can do like self timer and things like that. The third thing I would like use like lighting. Lighting is really important. I would say invest into a ring light. I have a ring light here, and it honestly saves my life because now it's daylight savings time, so it gets dark at 5. So even if I like get ready and like it's getting dark already, I can't, like I'll feel like I wasted my time. So instead, you'll get a ring light, and you can take pictures outside, like in the dark, and you can use flash too, and then you can, get better pictures. Or you can take them inside and finesse. Like right now, like it's really well lit. I can literally take pictures right now. I already have a video out of how I take my pictures by myself, but I'll do a redo of the video. I kind of did one, but I feel like it didn't go in depth too much. So I may post that video. It's really like 3 minutes long, but I may post like another version of the video just because I feel like I need to go in depth more, Yeah, lighting is very important. Or you can use natural light. I would say golden hour, since it's daylight savings time. 3:30 is about golden hour here. But before it used to be around like 5. So yeah, I would just say like try to go in golden hour. If not, like you can do shady pictures and like up the lighting and exposure like when you edit, or just try to find like the best lighting situation for you, because I know some people don't like direct sunlight, but direct sunlight looks good on my skin tone. It can wash some people out, it can do other things, so it depends on how you like it. But if you test out different times of the day, then you'll see like how much you really like different times of the day, and then you can still stay consistent. That way you're like, okay, every day I need to take pictures at 3:30. Every day I need to be ready and find a location to take it. The next thing is location. Location is very important, because it can like make or break your picture. Like if you have a really bad location in the background, just like what am I looking at, So you just want your location to match what you're doing, your theme, your just everything. So I would say have a really nice location, and whether like that's your home, you can like have like the modern style home like does really well on Instagram. And just keeping up with like your location is really nice. Or you can just find anywhere, wherever you live. I'm sure if you go outside, walk a few blocks from where you live, I'm sure you can finesse locations. I finesse so much. Like at my school, it all looks the same, but I have finessed to the max of like all the locations like at my school. So I try to make it seem like I'm not at USC sometimes, because all my school looks like brick. So I don't want bricks in my pictures for real. It's all about like, you have to imagine it in your head. Like sometimes people get really surprised where I take my pictures. Like yesterday I took my pictures in the laundry room in my school, in the lobby, in the courtyard at my school. It's very doable. So just try to find a location and make it work for you. Okay, some tips I have for like Instagram, I would say look at pictures that people have, or people that like your favorite Instagram models or your favorite people, right? And look at how their pictures are. Like look if they're smiling, if they're like posing like regular face poses. Practice those poses in the mirror, so you can get comfortable with it. If you have other people taking your pictures, it can sometimes be uncomfortable when you don't really know them and they're like, you know. So you want to be comfortable in everything, like in all the pictures you take. Try different poses, because you never know, like you never know which one's gonna work for you. Oh my god. So much noise outside today. Like what? I'm just so confused. Literally when I want literally when I want to film, there's so much noise. Like I was saying, I don't even remember. What was I saying? Some tips for Instagram: you look at your favorite like Instagram models or whatever, and then you see how they take their pictures. You see like the poses that they do, practice those poses, you know, so you can be comfortable. Boom, bam. So you can get your pictures out the way, you get the most time. Like you can take multiple pictures, you know, you want to get this done quick. Like you need to be efficient. So yeah, that's one. Just look how like the background is and like how the angles are, you feel me? Like you want enough background but enough of yourself. You want to make sure you're really well lit, things like that. So just practice those things. Make sure you look really nice, like your makeup's done, your hair is done, like all these things are done, so like, you know, your pictures can turn out flawless. Like I noticed that whenever I don't do my makeup as well, whatever, I just don't like my pictures as much, or I don't feel as confident, so it may take me really long to get like my pictures how I want them. Like, you know, if you rush to do your makeup, you don't feel as confident in it sometimes. So yeah, so make sure you just take your time, get ready, feel really good, and then go out and take your pictures, because that will be a better like turnout. One important thing also is like to make sure your face looks nice. I have a problem with like I always look mean for some reason. Apparently that's like my thing. So yeah, so I don't like smiling in my pictures, so I feel like that's just like no. So yeah, like I just try to be better in my face, like without smiling. But I noticed if you like put your tongue to your mouth, it makes you look better. I don't know. So little things like that you'll learn off like once you just continue to keep, you know, trying. Also, like a lot of times you're in the way of yourself. Like no one really cares. If you're taking pictures in the middle of the street, honestly, no one cares. You're not gonna see these people probably ever again. And if you do, they're probably like cheering you on rather than like, ew, that girl's taking pictures in the middle of the street. No, you need to get your angles. You need to get that. You need to get that in the moment in time, because guess what? You probably can never get that like shot again. You get what I'm saying? Like just go for it. Literally, it's simple. It's really so simple. Like I take pictures a lot of times like in the lobby of my like apartment, and people that live in my apartment are just like, as long as you're not inconveniencing anyone else, then, you know, take your pictures. Like I don't know, you're not gonna see these people again probably ever. So, and if you do, who cares? Like you really just need to be confident in what you do. Like, because this is low-key, if you want to become an Instagram model, you need to make this your job, right? So this is your job. You're clocking in. You need to do your work. So you're going there. You're getting your work done. And no one comes into your job and tells you that you can't take pictures or you can't do your work, huh? I don't know if that makes sense, but basically just take pictures anywhere. Honestly, it doesn't matter. Think about the time when you see someone taking pictures and you're like negative. You think negative in your head. That's probably almost never, because no one cares that much, you know, like it's your life, not theirs. So also I would say have a focus. So a lot of people have different things that they do. So you can do like makeup, and you can do hair, you can do outfit pictures, you can do all three. But I'm saying like you should have a focus so like people can find you better. A lot of times like people find you just because like you can dress very well, or your hair is really nice, or you know, your makeup's always on point, or all of them, like, you know. So just have a real focus. If you want to put outfits together and stuff, make sure you consistently take outfit pictures. If you want to be a makeup artist, or you want to do a lot more makeup in like Instagram, make sure you do different makeup looks and like to get exposure and things like that. So you're trying to make sure your pictures go on the explore page so more people could find you. Yeah, I would just say like those things really help. Like being very bright is the best thing ever, because those pictures like get clicked on the most on the explore page. So I would just suggest that. Don't compare yourself to anyone else, for real. You can use other people for inspiration, but don't literally compare yourself. You are your own individual. You're very unique, very beautiful, I'm sure a lot of good things like are about you. So please just don't. Like, and these people, like for example, when I used to like follow other people and I was like, wow, like their pictures are so dope, like so crazy, like they're just have so many followers, and like when I grew, then like these people were also following me and complimenting me, and I'm like, wow, like that's, you know, like kind of like full circle. It's just so like humbling. So I just feel like you can be any, like you're literally, you're it already, you know, like you have to already believe that so that you can start chasing the bag and getting it. Like, I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, but I really want people to be successful. Like, I want you guys to really, like, if you want to be great things on Instagram, then just do it, like literally. And any other app like that you're trying to do, or any other thing you're trying to do, if you're trying to start a YouTube channel too, you can do it. Just literally start. Like, the hardest part is starting, and then just staying consistent. Consistency is key, you know? So yeah. Anyway, also if you see that something is working on your page, like for example, if one picture blew up and it was a eyebrow tutorial, you want to continue to do those video type tutorials, you know, because obviously these people like it if you have like a lot of insights on it. And once something starts booming on your page, you want to continue to post. Like, that's when you're going to get the most people following you. So back to back. So you need to be consistent whenever you see that boom of people, even if it's like 5 more people than usual. But those are all my tips. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. Please leave any other questions down below of like any questions you have about like social media and how to get more like, you know, engagement and how to get more followers and things like that. So yeah, and don't let these like followers or people like define you, because I'm sure you're an amazing person with or without the followers, to be honest. But if you want to become more like exposed, then these are the tips that I have for you. And yeah, see you guys next time. Hope you like this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye. Also, let me know if you guys want this makeup look. I feel like I like it, but people have been telling me I'm doing the same makeup look, but this is like a soft glam type look. I don't know, you know, soft glam, but like the lashes are really bold. And I might do updated like a combination lip tutorial thing. Sorry about my nail too, it's very like broken compared to others. But yeah, I might do updated like lip combination video, because that one did very well. So just let me know if you guys want that too. I have a part 2 to the first video, so check that one out, and then check the first video out, and then tell me if you want a third video. So yeah.